quit your day job as a TikTok shop affiliate. A few short weeks ago, I would have said highly doubtful. But let's look at this one creator here who's got less than even 6,000 followers. In total, they generated 190,420's worth of revenue just in the last 7 days alone as a TikTok shop affiliate. But if we delve into the detail even more deeper, we can see these are the products that they sold. And you can see that their highest earning video generated 180,130 just in the last 7 days. This product that was being promoted here was a dragon egg, which is kind of like an Easter egg, which is going viral at the moment. And looking at how much commission shops usually offer for promoting these Easter eggs, we can see that some go as high as 30% in commission, which means that this creator could have made anywhere around $50,000 in commission from this one video, from this product. Now, the crazy thing is this one video, literally a 23-second video, and that's how much money that made. Crazy thing is, with this tool that I'm using here, which is called Kalo Data, if you are a new TikTok shop affiliate and you're interested in understanding exactly how this went, they said in the video, and just deconstructing how they put this video together, this is actually quite a good tool because you can download the video script for starters. And I can do that by clicking on download video scripts here. As you can see, it's going to start downloading, and there we go. This is every word that the creator said in the script. Now, another crazy thing I can do is, now that I've downloaded this script, if I want to use it for inspiration, let's say I'm also promoting this Easter dragon egg, I can click on AI optimize, and I can ask AI to break the script down into a hook, body, and call to action. And as you can see there, the AI is now analyzing the script and it's breaking it down in real time here into a hook, body, and call to action. Now, I'm not encouraging people to steal or copy what this creator said. This should give you a baseline of what to say when you are promoting this similar product as well. And if you use a tool like Kalo Data, it'll tell you exactly what that is. You can use AI to rephrase this. You can copy this and maybe put it into ChatGPT or whatever other large language model you use, and you can get them to rewrite the script, make it your own, make it unique, maybe try making a shorter video, maybe try making a slightly longer video, and come out with your own different script. Now, another crazy thing that Kalo Data allows you to do as well is, if you click on the video link, it'll actually take you to TikTok, so you can actually see the video. I'm going to pause it here in case it's got any copyrighted music, and yeah, you can also watch it from within TikTok. But it's really just a good way of being able to deconstruct what a 180,000 video looks like and kind of learn from people that are selling these products. And just below that, you can see as well, there's a bunch of other creators that are promoting exactly the same product, also making a pretty decent amount of money in the last 7 days as well. We can see that creator generated 35,000. They generated 4,000. We can see she generated 3. It's not just this creator that's generating revenue from this. There's a bunch of other creators as well. Now, we can also see that this wasn't an advertisement. This person actually managed to go viral with organic TikTok traffic here, which is also crazy considering how much money they made. Now, if you were ever wondering whether there is any money in being a TikTok shop affiliate and whether there is a potential to go full-time or not, only you can answer the question of whether you would go full-time or not, having made this type of money. But in terms of the data, in terms of the potential and the amount of money that you can make as a TikTok shop affiliate, this is an example. They are not the only one that are making this much money as well. There is a bunch of other creators that are making a ton of money promoting TikTok shop products. As you can see, there's a list of people there. And what I like about these leaderboards here on Kalo Data, they tell you, the data shows you that it's not just the Jeffree Stars of our world, people that have millions and millions of followers, that are selling a high volume of TikTok shop products and earning a high amount of commission. You've got creators on this leaderboard that have only got 5k followers, 5k followers, 7k followers, 27k followers, 9k followers. And if you look at the amount of revenue that they generate, some of it is higher than people that are way bigger than them. Like if you look at this West Buy one here, they've got 9k followers, yet they generated $227,000 dollars in revenue, which is more than an account just below them, which has got 481,000 followers. TikTok Shop doesn't care how many followers you've got. It's all about the products that you're promoting and being able to go viral with those products. Yes, you can't always control when you go viral or when you don't go viral. However, being able to pick products that are proven and that are selling for other creators and generating this much revenue for other creators will certainly get you in the right direction. And again, if you use a tool like Kalo Data, which I've got linked in the description, it reveals all of that information for you right down to the actual video script, so you can literally drill down and model but use it as inspiration for your own videos. Crazy thing is, going back to our example here, this one creator, if going back to the question that we asked, whether you can or you could quit your 9-to-5 job because of how much money you make as a TikTok Shop affiliate, let's look at what the options are for this creator financially. If we look at this one video here that generated them 180,000 worth of revenue, we've said around 30% commission, they earn anywhere between $40,000 and $50,000 in the last 7 days just from that one video alone. Now, if you're earning $40,000 commission in your pocket out of one viral video, if you have one viral video a month for 10 months, let's say 2 months out of the year nothing happens, you don't post or you don't get any viral videos, you have 8 weeks of just bad videos and nothing happens. If you had 10 months having one viral video like that every single month, this creator would be making around anywhere from $300,000 to $400,000 a year as a TikTok Shop affiliate, provided that they're selecting the right products with the right high enough commission and they're picking products that have the tendency to go viral. And they don't have to go viral every time. You only need one video in 30 days to go viral. So all the other videos that you're uploading, they don't have to go viral. And remember, you are still earning money from those other videos as well, even if they've not gone viral. Is $300,000 enough for you to go full-time? Is $300,000 more than what you're getting paid in your day job currently? I can't tell you whether that would be enough to quit your day job or not. I can't tell you where TikTok Shop will be in the next 12 months. I have no idea. But looking at the opportunity that is there right now, if you had the opportunity to make $200,000 to $300,000 a year by going viral as a TikTok Shop affiliate, that is high possibility. But again, people earn different types of money. Some people will go full-time even with just going viral once every 6 months. Some people will go full-time just going viral once every 4 months, some having that $40,000 or $15,000 commission months. But TikTok Shop affiliate is a gold rush right now, and it's easy to see why people are earning as much money as their day jobs, if not more. I will leave all the links in the description, and I've got a playlist as well as a free course walking you through how to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate as well.